How to remove someone from share list on Instagram. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to remove someone from your share list on Instagram. So without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, I'll just open up Instagram and then let's say I just want to send a random reel to someone. So for example, I want to send this one. So let's say I want to send it to this person right here and then just click on send. And then what you want to do is just click on the profile settings of the person that you sent the reel to. Click on options. And then what you want to do is just click on restrict. So basically what this does, it limits the interactions from someone you know without them knowing. So they won't see your online or when you've read their messages to you will be moved to message request, and etc. So yeah, so just click on restrict and then there you go, you are now done. So when I try to send someone a reel on Instagram, when I click on share right here, as you can see, that person is now gone in my share list. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to remove someone from your share list on Instagram. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.